This year for my road reel, I decided to make a funny little short about how I could crack all of the joints that I have from my wrists and my neck and my back all the way down to my toes. I've been able to do this since, 5th grade or so over 20 years, I guess. I've been able to crack all of my joints, and I've gotten better and better at it over time. Never really seeing a chiropractor, though maybe one day I probably should. I wanted to use the various Rode microphones that I had to accomplish everything. I used my Video Micro for my feet, just because it was smaller and could easily be set up down on the ground. I used my Video Mic Go here so I could get my hands and upper body. I also used my SmartLav Plus so that way I could record my own dialogue, and that was going into my phone, which I'm currently using with my Video Micro. For my lights, I just have my softbox set up as my key light, really. And I have my 2 cameras. For my fill lights, I have another light that would fill up the main wall just behind me, and a second LED that would just light up the side for when I was doing the close-up shots. Now, before you say something like, oh, he added stuff, or he's exaggerating, or these are sound effects and things, no, this is for real. I can really do this with all my joints. I did not cheat. I really used my Rode mics. This is the real sound that my joints make when I crack them. I really did all this stuff. This is not exaggerated. This is what it really sounds like. And using Rode microphones makes them sound even better. I hope it didn't gross you out too much, but thanks for watching. Vote for me. I could really use the new Video Mic Pro Plus, and we'll see you next time. Thanks again.